Let me show you how to set up your action button and also everything you can actually do it on the iPhone 17 and also 17 Pro. So first, by default, when you press your action button, it either enables the silent mode or also the normal volume where your phone will ring. So you see, if you hold it, you can turn on the silent mode. If you hold again, switch to the normal mode. If you want to set up for any other actions, we can simply go in the settings. So in the settings, simply open up your action button and you see you have different options you can choose from. So for example, this is like various focus modes. For example, you can set these focus modes here. So let's change it, for example. So if you go back, I see like those focus modes that we set up. Let's check out what more we have. Also, we can launch camera and also specific thing on the camera as well. For example, let's set for video recording. So let's test it. So if you press it, so you see it launches in the video. So also with your camera button, for example, you can start recording video and also stop as well. Okay, let's check further. Also visual intelligence. So yep, let's set that. If you hold it again, so we have to enable it. Okay, so yeah, let's download it. But yeah, basically once you download it, you can actually point basically your camera at various things that will simply research stuff about that stuff. So let's check out what more we have. Also, we can turn on the torch with it as well. So let's test it. So you see, you can also very easily turn on or off the flashlight here. Okay. We also can recognize the music here. So let's see what it does. So it's essentially listening for and recognizing music that's playing in the background. Okay. And also we can set custom controls as well. For example, launch various things. So you can see for yourself what we can do. For example, scan QR codes, timers, stopwatch, place in airplane mode, enable dark mode, open. So like pay as well, for example. So let's maybe set for calculator, just for demonstration. So you see it launches calculator for us. Absolutely awesome. Okay, let's check what else we have. And also we can set shortcuts here as well. So we can maybe call some specific number here, for example. Set timer. Again, open maybe some file. Open notes, new notes maybe. So yep. So you see you have to set up basically call person, for example. And then if you press it, you can call specific number basically in your contacts. So you see how insanely advanced this thing actually is here. Okay, and also accessibility features, some color filters, magnifiers. Let's see how insanely advanced this thing is. So for example, magnifier. Let's launch it. Okay, so I'm not sure how that works. Yeah, anyway. And also we can disable it completely. So you see, if I try to do anything, nothing happens. So yeah, overall the action button is actually absolutely fantastic on the iPhone. Good luck.